Good evening, UK. This is Friday, and this is Lalit here, your RJ for Dogri session from Jammu, along with my colleague Shifalika from Kashmir. Hi, Shifalika.
Hi Lalit, good to be back with you today. So, what have you got in store?
So, we have got a lot of beautiful songs from Jammu and Kashmir in Dogri and Kashmiri. Along with that, we are continuing our cuisine journey. So, we're going to tempt you again, make you hungry, and talk about food from our region. So, to begin the show, let me talk about a very, very unique and special dish of Jammu region. It's called kalari. Kalari, and it's usually in the form of kalari kulcha that we eat it. Kalari is a traditional ripened cheese product indigenous to Jammu province, majorly from Udhampur, Ramnagar area. It is a popular delicacy of Dogra people. Kalaris are usually made from cows or buffalo's milk. Traditionally, kalaris are made from raw, uncooked, full fat milk that is separated using sour milk. The solidified part is packed in small bowls made of leaves and sun dried. And once it's sun dried and ripened, it's then when it's kept for some days and then in a hot pan, it's cooked by pressing it, and then when it's brown, it is then nicely cooked. It's sometimes stuffed in between kulchas, paranthas, or buns, and it is yum. If you want to know what kalari is, ask any Jammuite, and they can tell you how crazy they are for kalari. So moving from kalari to our first Dogri song today is a very new song called Mithi Boli. It is sung by Ruhi and Juhi, the Duggar siblings. And the unique part is that in this song, we get to listen to their father, Suraj Singh Ji, who's a fabulous, famous singer of Jammu region. And we absolutely love his voice. So, what a combo of all three from the same house, Suraj Singh Ji, his son Ruhi, and daughter Juhi. So, I hope you'll enjoy this new song, Mithi Boli.
पढ़ती तू कुड़िए पढ़ती तू कुड़िए शैल तेरा लाना पाना मिठी तेरी बोलिए
पढ़दा तू मुड़ाए पढ़दा तू मुड़ाए सारे को ना सुनाए मेरा मन मुनाए
पढ़ती तू कुड़िए शैल तेरा लाना पाना मिठी तेरी बोलिए
पढ़दा तू मुड़ाए सारे को ना सुनाए मेरा मन मुनाए
हथ तेरी चूड़ियां मत्थे तेरी बिंदलू है हथ तेरी चूड़ियां मत्थे तेरी बिंदलू है सोना तेरा मुखड़ा मेरे दिल दी तू कोई ना सोना तेरा मुखड़ा मेरे दिल दी तू कोई ना
सारे को ना सुनाए
मिठी तेरी बोली रेशो गद्दिए दिए कुड़िए रेशो गद्दिए दिए कुड़िए अंबर फटे पे जिंदे टकी दिल फटे किया सीना दिल फटे किया सीना दिल फटे किया सीना से चढ़िए चंदे जो जाला रेशो गद्दिए दिए कुड़िए.
Wow, Lalit, what a lovely song, and it's amazing how two generations of the same family, they are singing together. We've heard some lovely songs from this family. What a proud thing it must be for their dad to sing with his two kids. So, yeah, Kaladi obviously is quite famous, and it tastes a lot like halloumi cheese. I just remember if you fry halloumi cheese, that's what obviously I think Kaladi tastes much better than halloumi. It's got a subtle taste. So yeah, so I was thinking maybe the audience might be interested a bit in the background, the history of Kashmiri public cuisine. So the important thing is that Kashmiri public cuisine is based on the traditions of Ayurveda. So there is a Rishi Chalka who used to live in Kashmir many thousands of years back, and the traditions of cuisine start from him. So there is a lot of thinking that's gone in the traditional food, mostly because of the climatic conditions. It's a very cold place, so a lot of the food has evolved around the weather conditions. For instance, we use mostly mustard oil for cooking, and that's because it generates a lot of warmth in the food. So even the food we cook here, we try and use mustard oil. It brings out the unique flavor of the food, but it also gives a lot of heat to the food, which was important when we live in very cold climate as in Kashmir. The other thing is a lot of fruits were used in the cooking, like dry fruits like apricots, dried apricots, dried pomegranate seeds, and that also lent a unique flavor to it. And I'll talk a bit more about the traditions of food from that region, and also the quantity of spices that we use in the food. There is a science behind it, and I will talk a bit about that. But before that, let's listen to a song by Ravi Jilani. He's one of the new and famous Kashmiri singers with a very nice voice. So let's hear him, and then we'll talk a bit more about the food.
Az be khabar poch gom tsalit jani sitam gaye Az be khabar poch gom tsalit jani sitam gaye Yina supirit ज़िम्मेवारी जाने सितम गए हो अज़बे खबर पच गोम चलित जाने सितम गए हो दुबार वुचनुक थोवनम तन यथ दिल सरमान दुबार वुचनुक थोवनम तन यथ दिल सरमान बेवाई बिहित गो सुकास निश जानी सितम गए बेवाई बिहित गो सुकास निश जानी सितम गए हो नाम सुपीरित बोझ जानी सितम गए हो आज बे खबर पर गोम चलित जानी सितम गए हो छादोक दिथ यथ पर चलुन यार रवाचो छादोक दिथ यथ पर चलुन यार रवाचो तिम आदन की गो वाद मुशरित जानी सितम गए तिम आदन की गो वाद मुशरित जानी सितम गए हो ना सुफीरित बोझ म्योने जानी सितम गए हो आज बे खबर पच गोम चलित जानी सितम गए हो तोहंदुई मरजी छुस बोगदा बोझ सदा म्यान तोहंदुई मरजी छुस बोगदा बोझ सदा म्यान नखीत सुकरना आँख में कथा जानी सितम गए नखीत सुकरना आँख में कथा जानी सितम गए ना सुपीरित बोझ म्योने जानी सितम गए हो आज बे खबर पच गोम चलित जानी सितम गए हो सितमगर ओ जानी सितमगर ओ।
That was a nice new Kashmiri song, and yes, as Shefalika said, it's a nice soothing voice he's got. Now, as we are talking about cuisine, let's move to the next dish, which is quite famous in Jammu region. It's called kulthe di dal, kult dal. It is also known as host gram dal. It is very unique to the region. It's only grown in the mountains, and it has a very special taste. It is very tangy in itself. You don't have to add खटाई, मतलब खट्टा या नींबू कुछ डालने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, वो अपने आप में has a खट्टा flavor. And it is also it also has a lot of medicinal properties. It is very healthy. It's rich in proteins, vitamins, and iron. It also helps in reducing weight, cures kidney stones. So if you have water of like a soupy consistency water, you strain the dal from it and drink that water. It helps you to get rid of kidney stones, heart diseases, asthma. It is perfect for winter because it's a warm dal, and that's why it is cooked in winter season, and it is specially found in mountains because it is supposed to give you heat, warmth. So it is very, very special and unique, and we love it. Now, this next song I have is called Allah Belua Ho. This song has been sung by Malika Pukhraji and her daughter Tahira Sayed. Malika Pukhraji was the royal courtesan at the darbar of our last Maharaja Hari Singh Ji. And after partition, she got married and moved to Pakistan. Many of you might know her with her famous song Abhi To Main Jawan Hu. And she has a peculiar and a very special style of singing, and most of her Pahari Dogri songs are really famous. I hope you like this song. It is one of my favorites.
Allah Belua ho, Allah Belua ho, Belua ho, Belua ho, Allah Belua ho, Allah Belua ho. बंसरी बजाऊंदा हो बंसरी बजाऊंदा पर जंदा कन बंसरी बजाऊंदा हो बंसरी बजाऊंदा पर जंदा कन बंसरी बजाऊंदा लोके दे दिल बरमाऊंदा बलिया अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो Allah Belua ho, Allah Belua ho. बाजरे दी रोटी कने बड़ी बड़ी मोटी है, बड़ी बड़ी मोटी है। खाने गी नहीं देंदा कने लाउने गी नहीं देंदा हो, लाउने गी नहीं देंदा। खाने गी नहीं देंदा कने लाउने गी नहीं देंदा हो, लाउने गी नहीं देंदा। खाने गी नहीं देंदा कने लाउने गी नहीं देंदा। तरकाले गी कहंदा सुन मेरी बलिया, अल्लाह बेलुआ हो, अल्लाह बेलुआ हो, अल्लाह बेलुआ हो, बेलुआ हो, बेलुआ हो, अल्लाह बेलुआ हो, अल्लाह बेलुआ हो। साढ़े कने रुसी रुसी बौंदा बलिया, अल्लाह बेलुआ हो, 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 अल्लाह बेलुआ।
Another beautiful song, thank you, Lalit. And it was nice to hear about the band we were talking about. Might be worth a try if you get it here. So continuing with the traditions behind Kashmiri cuisine, like I was saying, it's almost like a science because when you think of it, so we use three key ingredients. One is, of course, the famous Kashmiri mirch, which imparts a lot of color, but it is not that spicy, so that is unique. But the two other ingredients used in almost every dish are ginger powder and another is saunf powder. So you have to use it in a particular proportion. So you have to use a lot of saunf powder, but the ginger powder is used 1/3 or 1/4 of how much saunf powder you use. So the science behind that, I think, is because ginger is good for to help with the digestion. So you can't have too much of it as well. So you have to use it in proportion to how much saunf powder you use. And I was saying a lot of dry fruits are used. Of course, the most famous thing which is used in a lot of dishes is the saffron, which is quite unique to that area. There are saffron fields in Pampur, and world famous saffron is grown there. And saffron is used in a lot of dishes. It's used in pulao as well. Apart from a nice color it imparts to the food, it also gives a natural taste. And of course, the medicinal properties of saffron are world famous. It's used in actually lots of medicines. Saffron flower is used. So that is that. And a lot of these traditions have carried on for the last thousands of years and are still being used. The other thing I think we have discussed about is that we don't use garlic and onions, and very rarely tomatoes. So it's all the gravy is mostly yogurt based and masala based. So no onions, no garlic. So for people who are vegetarians, that is very good. So let's hear another song first, and we'll talk about some more traditional dishes and the way to cook them. So the second song is also by the same singer, and like I said, he's quite popular in that part of the world, and he has traveled to various places abroad as well. And let's see what he has to say this time.
सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे महदाद रसछु माद नर सब इस्ताद छे आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारू अश्क चूरन हुस्न बागस थोनम पाए अश्क चूरन हुस्न बागस थोनम पाए देवार लूरी वार करनम आवार गिए देवार वार करनम आवार गिए आवाद सारू साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारू खूनी जिगर होर मैं क्या जोनी गिंदान खूनी जिगर होर मैं छै चूनी जेबा कुनी पटवार बुझहत बे छै चूनी जेबा कुनी पटवार बुझहत बे आवाद सारू साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारू जानन mesut çüce kormu şahan baye canan mesut çüce kormu şahan baye mehpan gitmay dil tashil iman say mehpan gitmay dil tashil iman say आवाद सारू साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारू कन दूर छुह वन कसवन आह नए कन दूर छुह वन का सुवन आह नए यन दूर गौहम तन छम तन तेलान रे यन दूर गौहम तन छम तन तेलान रे आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे नेहदाद रसू माद नर सब इस्ताद छे आवाद सारो साज सुंदर आमाद छे आवाद सारो.
That was a nice song again, beautiful tune. And moving from there, coming back to Jammu now, you have been to the valleys of Srinagar, let's come to the mountains of Jammu. The next dish I'm going to talk about is called the welcome dish of Jammu region. It's kheer. Kheer is made up of refined flour, and it is very unique way of making it in a lot of oil. It's deep fried, and it's the way you the liquid is poured through your fingers and you make a round shape. And these are the speciality is that whenever there is something special or unique in the house, they're prepared. When the newly wedded daughter-in-law visits the house for the first time, it's prepared. When you are getting married, the sister-in-laws feed it to their brother-in-law, the bridegroom, and there are jokes around it. It is usually eaten either with curd and sugar, or you can also have it plain salty. But whichever way, it is really unique and very tasty. The next song I'm playing is one of my all-time favorites, sung by none other than the Nightingale of India, Lata Mangeshkar ji. It is written by the most famous and the first lady Dogri writer, Padma Sachdeva ji. She is a Padam Shri holder, and it is Nikade Fangadu Uchi Udan, which means I have small wings, but I have a huge flight, and I'm going to a different land, living without my parents, my family, my home, what all I'm missing. So this song talks about the pain a girl feels when she's away from her household. It was written in the times when it was about girls, but in today's world, guys and girls, nothing is different. All of us, at some point of our time, for our studies, for our education, for our work, have to travel abroad, far away from our home, our families. And so this song beautifully portrays those emotional feelings. It is a song which makes you cry every time without fail. Nikade Fangdu Uchi Udan.
जाइए थमना
Wow, Lataji has sung in all languages, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Both she and Ashaji, there's no Indian original language that they haven't sung their song in. So, carrying on with our discussion on food, we had a nice journey through traditional cuisines, and the journey will not be complete unless I mention a very famous and drink from our region, which is called kahwa. So kahwa is a kind of drink. A lot of people have heard of it. It's made without milk, and the unique thing about it is, which I don't think is used in any other tea, is that we put a lot of dry fruits in it. So once the tea leaves are boiled, with cardamom, you can add a bit of saffron, cinnamon. Then when the tea is fully boiled, then in the end you add the green tea leaves. And once the tea is ready, and then you put crushed almonds to it. So it gives it a unique flavor. It's considered to be very healthy and to be drunk first thing in the morning. It's gone beyond North India. It's famous all over the world now. So let's listen to Vijay Mallaji, who is the next singer bringing another favorite song. Vijay Mallaji unfortunately passed away young, but he has left a legacy of very famous songs.
Bedaro mar mindi nindre gatsu bedaro yetamo yaro vandayo ja yetamo yaro vandayo ja padan karyo sarnisaro padan karyo sarnisaro yetamo yaro vandayo jaan yetamo yaro vandayo jaan yetamo yaro vandayo jaan mar mandi nindre लोल चान होल गूं कई संदारो चाइने होलगो कई सुंदरो सुंदरे दाज चाइन गोलमो पान सुंदरे दाज चाइन गोलमो पान निंदरे जोल छम चानि अम्मारो ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान मर मंदी निंदरे अश्क तीर लथम हा कमांदारो अश्क तीर लथम हा कमांदारो जिगरस्ते मो हनि हनि का जिगरस्ते मो हनि हनि का कीन हथ कुलथम सीन अफगारो ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान मर मंद निंदरे सारो दूर दूर बुछ मई नूर रखसारो तन छसूरे नार ललवान तन छसूरे नार ललवान हाचल सुलहम सूर्य कुतलारो हाचल सुलहम सूर्य कुतलारो ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान मर मंद निंदरे गच बेदारो मर मंद निंदरे गच बेदारो ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान पादन करयो सरनिसारो पादन करयो सरनिसारो ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान ये तमो यारो वंदयो जान मर मंदी
That was a nice song again. As we said that Vijay Mallaji left us quite young, but he's left a great legacy and beautiful songs, not only in Kashmiri but also in Dogri. Now, about Dogra cuisine, there is another very special, unique thing which is called kasrod da char, which is kasrod ka char or pickle. So it is actually a fiddlehead fern pickle, if you call it in English. It's known as kasrod in Jammu's vernacular. Fiddlehead ferns are very popular in Dogra cuisine. They are cherished in the form of sabzi or roti with parantha and are also used in a form of pickle. So kasrod da achar is very, very famous and unique to Jammu region. You must try next time you are in Jammu. And the next song I'm playing is called Sau Husband, which is like a simple, plain, decent husband. And it has been sung by one of the very young, talented singer called Amit Kundal.
फॉलो चारेगी कर दियो, फॉलो चारेगी कर दियो, फॉलोअर्स हजारों दे इया जम्मू शहर पढ़ दियो पर चर्चे बारों दे। पुछो ना जी बेबी जो तो फोटो करिए पाउट पांदी, किन्ने सिने अगराड़े किन्ने दिल टोट पांदी, ये की पुत्तर जेड़े ओ पिछे लाई रख दी कुड़ी, दिल तोड़े बथेरे सौ हस्बैंड लभदी कुड़ी, सरकारी बंदा लभदी कुड़ी, सौ हस्बैंड लभदी कुड़ी। सेलिब्रिटी जिन्ना रोब रख दी है तेरी प्रोफाइल दी, लख लख लाइक बटोर दी है एक मिठी स्माइल दी। सेलिब्रिटी जिन्ना रोब रख दी है तेरी प्रोफाइल दी, लख लख लाइक बटोर दी है एक मिठी स्माइल दी। दिल टूटना भी उन्हें फैशन बनाया, ब्रेकअप नो मेकअप दा हैशटैग पाया, सोने मुखड़े जेड़े ब्यूटी ऐप रख दी कुड़ी, दिल तोड़े बथेरे सौ हस्बैंड लभदी कुड़ी, सरकारी बंदा लभदी कुड़ी, सौ हस्बैंड लभदी कुड़ी। दिल जीते दी काली भी फेली थे सब ओदे न रोगी ओए, पब्लिक की थी क्यों प्रोफाइल कुड़े खैर मंगदा जोगी ओए। दिल जीते दी काली भी फेली थे सब ओदे न रोगी ओए, पब्लिक की थी क्यों प्रोफाइल कुड़े खैर मंगदा जोगी ओए। दसिया न थावा हिमाचल के चंबे, कल ही दिल्ली अज कुड़ी बम्बे, था छड्डे केड़े स्टोरी पाई रख दी कुड़ी, दिल तोड़े बथेरे सौ हस्बैंड लभदी कुड़ी, सरकारी बंदा लभदी कुड़ी, सौ हस्बैंड लभदी कुड़ी, नी मनदी कुड़ी।
छड्डे यारा कुंडल भरा, ना इन मनना ना सरकार ने, चल मैं तुझे आर्टिफिशियल लेकर रिपोर्टिंग कराना, चल।
Wow, such lovely songs we have heard today, Lalit, and what a nice journey it's been. So I'm thinking to end the food journey. This is our second session on the traditional foods. Let's talk about. We haven't talked about sweet dishes. Although sweet dishes are, it's not in North India, in our part of the region, sweets are not that important as part of cuisine, but there are some special desserts which I'm going to talk about, two of them. One is called shufta. So shufta is really small pieces of cottage cheese. You have to deep fry that in ghee, and a lot of dry fruits, cashews, khajur, dates, and ilachi. So you deep fry that also. So everything has to be deep fried. That's the main thing. Lots of sugar, and so then you have to. So it kind of condenses together the whole sugar. It gets caramelized with the cheese, and then that's what the dish is. So a very popular dish. The other important dessert which I remember is something called sweet pulao. Now, sweet pulao is consumed in a lot of areas in India, but the uniqueness of the sweet pulao in our part of the region is that there are lots of dry fruits in it. So it is full of dry fruits. So the saying is that every spoonful of the pulao should have 1 or 2 pieces of dry fruit in it, mostly almonds, but lots of cashew nuts and khajur as well, and lots of peppercorns and saffron, of course, is a main ingredient. You have to put at the end, gives it a taste and a nice color. So apart from that, I don't remember a lot of traditional sweets being consumed in that part. I mean, when I was growing up there, we hardly had a couple of sweet shops. not like Delhi, where in every gully there is one sweet shop. We just had one or two sweet shops, and I don't think this is that appetizing looking back as compared to sweets consumed in Northeast, Calcutta, and South India. But this traditional food was part of the whole cuisine. So let's listen to our last song, I think, in today's session, and we'll finish the program with that, and we'll see you next week.
Sani aşko damayıknat rozak Sani aşko bavanı hayhal panunui myani aşko damayıknat rozak Sani aşko damayıknat rozak Bavulnas may chane say bodchu Bavulnas may chane say bodchu Firakanchun kulrat bani aşko Firakanchun kulrat bani aşko bavanı hayhal panunui myani aşko damayıknat rozak Vatan çanyan vıçan Öçlos myane Vatan çanyan vıçan Öçlos myane Kathan çanyan karaçus Mani aşko Kathan çanyan karaçus mani aşko bavanı hayhal panunui myani aşko damayıknat rozak बराबर आस az तामत बअज़रान बराबर आस az तामत बअज़रान लेखित ओसुम ये केथा लाइन अशको लेखित ओसुम ये केथा लाइन अशको बवन है हाल पनुई म्यान अशको दमायक नात रोज बनित परवान तोत ताम करैगत बनित परवान तोत ताम करैगत योतामत म्योन जुहा हाइन अशको योतामत म्योन